So welcome back guys to a new video. I hope the sound is okay. We don't have the the usual camera with microphone stands and everything because my friend has decided to sell it, so we have to buy a new camera again. So now we only gonna use the GoPro. Anyway, I was starting to making this video for 3 weeks ago when I started to remove the fan resistor blower. And I also realized I don't have an air condition, so I don't have the usual resistor. When you don't have an air condition, it used to look like this when you only have the fans. So that's what we're gonna swap out today. And as I said, I have already started to make this video, and because I realized afterwards I didn't have an air condition, and I have the glove box and everything on the other side, so it looks like this. And the fan resistor is sitting in somewhere here. You see that square there, right there. There is where we're gonna mount the new one, and hopefully the fans will start to blow air again. And I'm gonna explain how you remove that and put it back, of course. So let's go to work, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And don't forget to unplug your battery when you deal with electronics, just for your own safety. But you have screws under here, and you obviously have screws in the glove box here, 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 and don't forget the screws in the fans. You have one here and one here. So some people just bend it up here, and you broke those, so don't break those. And you really need a small screwdriver like this, and to make your life easy, use one with magnet. So I'm gonna try to remove that, and the thing is that doesn't fit with screws, it's just clips. So I finally got it out, and it looks like this. It looks very different, and that's because the 19.2 version doesn't have air condition. So I have to order a new one, and this is what the normal looks like. So if you have a newer one, you should go for this. But if you have an old one like me, double check first before you order. Don't be dumb like me. So yeah, this video gonna be delayed, so I have to go home and order a new piece. And how I remove this, there are 2 clips. I used 2 flat screwdrivers, and what you do, because they're sitting really hard, you go under here and bend it up and try to like push it out at the same time. And when you have got one side out, put something between like this, and start to do the same thing with the under or the over, which one you now start with. That's how I get it out. Some people maybe have better technique, but that's how I did it. So what I'm gonna do here is to put back the fan motor resistor, and the only thing you have to do is just to press it in the right direction. It could be a little difficult because it's so tight on space, but it's a very easy install. So everything is back in place. It looks really good. Normally you have screws behind here. It looks like this, but I don't think you need those. And I don't gonna put it back because I know I'm gonna upgrade the sound in the future, and I don't even know if the fans works. And you already have one here and here, so that should be enough. But that's how you remove it. You just use that one, that one, that one, that one, and the two under, and just remove it. So now I'm gonna go home again, bring the car key because I forgot the car key, and start it and see if this works. So, moment of truth, is this gonna work or not? Well, that is a disappointed.
Okay, hold up. So, the battery was totally dead, so after I bought a new battery and installed that, everything worked. The only thing that didn't start was the stereo, but that's another problem. But all the fans blowed air, so it worked. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Girls with their nails done.